Give us all.
I'll pretend that I care that I saw you flying through the air. It was a dark, misty morning. Fuck, I don't know. I thought you were dead. Let me shut the water up. We all thought you were dead, man. Let's just put it that way. And I just remember. I remember telling you to put your fucking helmet on. I remember telling you to slow the fuck down. I remember telling you everything I told you not to do, you did it. And your dad was recording the whole time. So, yeah. It sucked. You hit a jump in high second instead of low third, and that shot you up in the air. Made you fly off the bike. Mid-air you let go, so it slingshot you, what, maybe, what was he, like 15 feet in the air maybe? 12, 15 feet? No,
they're after
higher. Yeah, you, like a buckling bronco, right? You see a bronco rider? That's how you flew off of it. And you crunched, he scorpioned sideways into his ribcage head. His head, dude, his head. I thought he broke his neck. But when he started breathing like a pig, that's when we knew he had lung problems, but we knew he was alive. So at that point, it was we need an ambulance. Because we tried moving him. Well, they tried. I didn't touch him because I know better. They started moving this guy like a rag doll, and stretching his spine and shit. That's part of the reason you have a punctured rib, but had, because he kept moving you. He forced us to give you a pillow while you were in the dirt, covered in shit and blood. He wanted you to go to sleep on a pillow, and we're like, dude, stop touching him. And I told him. He told me to go f myself, so I walked away. Yeah, he told everybody to go to hell, and he wanted a helicopter and a boat and a fucking. It sucks seeing that that you know, it sucks. If I saw Mikey hurt, I would die too.
Yeah, dude.
But yeah, anyways, so that happened. He started fighting with us while you were on the floor unconscious. You did come to after about, shit man, it was like a minute and 45 seconds.
That's nuts. I'm glad I didn't see any of that shit.
Yeah, he sounded like a pig. Like those toy pigs that the dogs squeeze on. That's how he was breathing. And, but I knew he was gonna be fine. I checked him out, he was fine. Of course, he was not fine, but he was breathing, so.
Good, of course.
He started like screaming in pain while his eyes were still closed. Your eyes were closed and you were screaming.
I don't remember none of that shit.
Yeah, no, you were not gonna remember none of that. You were screaming in pain and there's nothing we could do. You couldn't breathe, but you were awake. And your neck wasn't broke, so I was already happy. Yeah, I was fucking relieved as shit.
Yeah, well, whenever they were taking him away, when I pulled up.
We actually knew the people that were on the way in the ambulance for you, so that your ambulance visit was expedited. Thank God for them. That was about it. It was pretty f***ed up. You f***ed up. You weren't wearing a helmet. Mm-hmm. You hit a jump I told you not to hit, because that jump scares me. So I was like, hey, be scared, respect the jump. You didn't.
It still scares me. I go slow.
Yeah, you go slow, or you go.
And I let go of the gas like.
You let go of the gas.
20
correct.
feet before the jump.
That's what you're supposed to
And
do,
I
or
just, like,
you stay on the gas. You don't pump it at the end of the jump, and that's what he did. Yeah. In high second.
When you're pro, you do that.
The engine was screaming, dude. I thought either it was going to be a good jump or he was going to eat shit. But as soon as I heard that back wheel leave and the engine's still revving, I said, oh, this guy's going to eat shit. But I never pictured him 15 feet in the air about to fucking almost die. But yeah, man, we still haven't ridden a bike since that day. So yeah, it's pretty traumatizing. We still haven't ridden bikes. That same bike is still all f***ed up in the garage.
Shit, this is true.
Because we're like, yeah, let's leave that bike alone.
This is true.
I'm gonna wait till Pedro's better, and then we'll go back out there and yeah. How long has it been? Like 2 years?
Since then. How long has it
Year
been,
and a half?
Pedro? You
It
know.
was December 29th.
So
2018.
It'll be 2 years in this December.
Yep.
Yeah, we haven't touched motorcycles since. I haven't either. I don't want to. I feel bad. I felt bad. I couldn't walk the next day, and you couldn't. I felt bad knowing all of your injuries before you did. I knew each vertebrae that you hurt because they told me.
Yeah, this dude took a lot of blame for it, even though he shouldn't have. But yeah.
Yeah, I drank heavily. Shit, and I was f***ing pissed, dude. I was like, f***ing you, I started screaming. That's up. That's why I always say wear your helmet, especially if it's like your first time jumping and shit.
I'm just glad you're chilling and walking cool now. Because it really sucks seeing a homie that's
Fuck
like
yeah.
way younger than you
Exactly.
on a walker.
Barely getting his dick wet and shit.
That hurts.
I'm
It sucks.
dying.
So to see you fucking overcoming,
Oh.
gotta stay positive.
Yep.
Yep.
Optimism and an all-time high.
Still alive. And
Kicking. He's
On
still,
and kicking.
he's still alive. Hey guys, would you guys like another El Chingon beer?
So to sponsor me, don't forget. Bicho.
Estuvo feo.